Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a borderless collection, beautiful silver jari work, 3D type butta design sarees, an excellent color combination, a pinkish red color pallu with silver jari work. The butta design is given in the pallu also, 3D work, and we have same blouse piece, pallu color, contrast one for the body. And body is a very vibrant, radiant green color, almost fluorescent green, excellent combo. And you can see the buttas. Buttas are 240 jacquard. Aravatam is weaving buttas, very big and beautiful. 3D work. You can see the closer view. It looks very beautiful, and it is a completely handloom weaving with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection, silver jari work, beautiful combination color here, a black beautiful saree, in jet black color, complete saree is in black, and you can see the buttas, silver jari buttas are dazzling on black, very beautifully done, 3D type buttas, Aravatam design, borderless concept, and you can see a very contrast, a dark red, a maroonish red color pallu with horizontal weaving design, silver jari used for the weaving with a plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already beautifully made here. The combination is very beautiful for the black lovers with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection, beautiful color combination, excellent red pallu here, bright chilli red color with silver jari work, and it is dazzling on the pallu color. Aravatam design, very clear with plain blouse piece in pallu color, and we have a very different blue, a mild color blue color, that is the peacock neck blue without green mix, an elegant combination for the red. And you can see the 240 jacquard weaving thick designing buttas, very elegantly weaved, excellent 3D type work, and the saree is premium handcrafted saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a borderless collection, a 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design buttas, 3D type, very excellent design, dark base color, navy blue and purple is mixed to get a beautiful dark purple color, very elegant one, with copper and silver mixed jari work. Original copper is mixed with normal silver jari to get a beautiful color tone for the jari, and 3D type circle pattern is weaved, very elegant one, completely handcrafted with a very contrast dark Ananda blue color pallu. Pallu also have the same zari tone, beautiful weaving in the pallu, grand one with same color, plain blouse piece. Excellent combination, dark combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful copper jari work sarees, 240 jacquard weaving, big butta design, borderless concept, a green saree, leaf green color, beautiful combo, and you can see the copper jari, original copper is mixed with gold to get a beautiful shade, buttas, elegantly weaved 3D type buttas, 240 jacquard weaving, and we have a contrast pallu. Pallu is a cream color, half white cream with horizontal weaving, gold and copper mixed jari work, and we have plain blouse piece. Elegant combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection, 240 jacquard weaving, silver jari work, excellent design sarees, dark blue color, deep blue, something between navy and royal blue color. You can see the 3D type buttas in 240 jacquard weaving, beautiful silver jari work, borderless concept, and we have a very different brick red color pallu. Pallu also have horizontal weaving design, a rich one with plain blouse piece in pallu color. Very contrast and beautiful combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double vargu. A very beautiful borderless collection, a 3D type concept. Copper jari work here, copper and silver mixed here. We use dull copper. Beautiful collection. You can see the original copper version. 3D type buttas, and the saree color is a pastel green color. The pista green is mixed with mild yellow color, which gives a beautiful glaze. A glowing saree, beautiful pastel shade with a pastel color pallu, a sandy half white color. The jari work even here is same copper jari. Horizontal weaving, very rich, and we have a plain blouse piece. Beautiful pastel color saree, very different color. Best one for the pastel lovers with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double varku, a very beautiful 3D design butta collection in silver jari with a vibrant, alluring combination. A radiant green color, pallu, light green with beautiful butta design work. Completely aravatam used here for the pallu also. Beautiful work. Same color, blouse piece, plain one. Contrast one for the body. The body is in borderless concept, a very beautiful navy blue color, a black mixed blue. Excellent color, and the buttas are very visible on this dark base. 3D type 240 jacquard aravatam design buttas. You can see the butta clarity, very beautiful one. Silver jari used, and the saree is completely handcrafted, very finely crafted, premium soft silk saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double varku. Borderless collection, 240 jacquard weaving, big size buttas, Naravatam design, 3D concept buttas. Here we have a very beautiful dual tone color. Rama green is mixed with copper sulphate blue to get a beautiful tone. This elegant dual tone color, and we have the copper jari mixed with silver to get a light and beautiful copper tone buttas. In 3D type it is. You can see the closer view. Very elegantly it's done, completely handcrafted, a borderless concept, and we have a dark Ananda blue color. Pallu also have the same zari tone. And we have plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. An excellent and different exclusive collection saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double varku. A very elegant collection, the alluring, most attractive combination here. Bottle green color, pallu, beautiful silver jari work, aravatam design. You can see the elegance. And we have plain blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body color is again an attractive color. You can see the brightness, simply super, with beautiful tree design. The color is magenta pink, a bright shade magenta pink, very eye-catchy, beautiful color. It's very rich, and the buttas are in tree shape, excellently done. 240 jacquard weaving, aravatam design buttas in silver jari. You can see the finish of the saree, perfect finish by our handloom experts in a borderless concept. A very attractive combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku. 240 jacquard weaving, big size buttas, beautiful design sarees in alluring combination. Here we have a light green, most apparent green, mild yellow tinge saree with a very elegant butterfly design buttas. Buttas are perfectly done in gold and silver jari. Feathers are done in gold jari, and body is in silver. Aravatam, can see the clarity. Finely handcrafted work, and we have a grey pallu. Pallu also have a grand, rich looking design, completely in gold jari with plain blouse piece. Pallu color blouse piece. The combination is very beautiful, extremely ultimate combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku, a very premium, beautiful soft silk, 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design. Here we have a beautiful combination, a light pink color, a very beautiful pink with Aravatam design weaving in the pallu, rich pallu with silver jari, and we have same pink blouse piece, very eye-catchy color. Combination is also beautiful. The body is in deep blue color, something between royal blue and navy blue. Excellent color, and the buttas are very clear on this base color. Butterfly design butta. You can see the details. 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam buttas, very clear and beautiful design. Completely handcrafted. The saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku. A very trendy and premium quality soft silk sarees in a borderless concept, and alluring combination colors. Here we have a beautiful dark blue, a Prussian blue color pallu with very elegant pallu design, completely Aravatam weaving design, silver jari used, and we have same color blouse piece. Very contrastly, the saree is in Rama green, light shade Rama green color, and a very trendy design buttas, 240 jacquard weaving, big size buttas, Aravatam design. You can see the clarity, perfectly weaved, hand weaved saree. You can see the elegant work. The combination is also beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku, 240 jacquard weaving, very beautiful silver jari buttas, Aravatam design butta sarees in elegant red color, chili red, hot, attractive red color with beautiful triple mango design buttas, very big size, excellently weaved buttas. Inside a big mango, we have two mangoes, very pretty work, 240 jacquard weaving, and it is a finely weaved clear butta, and we have a contrast blouse piece and pallu. And pallu is a very different color, a rust and mango yellow mixed color with fully Aravatam design weaving in the pallu also, grand one with plain blouse piece. The combination is very different. The saree work is also premium one, completely handcrafted with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a premium collection, double varku, 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design buttas, and an alluring combination colors. Here we have a beautiful pink, very different and excellent shade of pink here with the silver jari work, closely weaved Aravatam design pallu, excellent one with same color blouse piece. You can see the contrast nature of the saree. The saree is in beautiful dark purple color. The buttas are of very trendy and beautiful nature. A butterfly, and inside the butterfly if you see more details, perfectly weaved, excellent design, 240 jacquard weaving and Aravatam. You can see the clarity of the buttas, very perfectly done, and we have a borderless concept, completely handcrafted, beautiful and alluring combination saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku, a premium quality, 240 jacquard weaving sarees, very elegant combination colors. Here we have a dark blue, blue that is between royal blue and navy blue color pallu with Aravatam design weaving, silver jari used in the pallu, and it's very beautiful 3D type pallu, and we have same color blouse piece, completely contrast saree it is. Saree is in a yellow green color, fluorescent yellow and green mixed. Green is prominent, very beautiful one. You can see the buttas. Buttas are in 240 jacquard weaving, very big size, a leaf pattern, and inside it if you see it's completely a floral, minute work, completely handcrafted, borderless, an excellent combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku, a very beautiful 3D type concept sarees 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design. Very beautiful and contrast pallu design sarees. Here we have a very elegant combination, traditional and always demanded combination. A pink, a Rani pink color, bright Rani pink pallu with very beautiful gold jari work. Aravatam design, you can see the clarity of the pallu, very rich and beautiful one. And we have plain blouse piece in same color. And the body color is a royal blue, very elegant one with 3D concept buttas, a flower that is done in a puzzle concept. You see it's a 240 jacquard weaving and Aravatam, very finely done. That is a gold jari work, very elegant one, completely handcrafted, borderless concept, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double bathroom, 240 jacquard weaving, beautiful sarees here with an excellent color combo. A dark blue color pallu, navy blue and royal blue in between the color, and we have Aravatam design weaving in the pallu, silver jari used for weaving, and we have plain blouse piece in same color. So completely a blue concept saree. Saree is in sea blue color, mild green tinge, blue, very different, beautiful color. And you can see the buttas. Buttas are 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam, very clear, excellent leaf design. And you can see the details of the butta, very beautiful floral inside the leaf outline, very elegant one, completely handcrafted, beautiful collection with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double bathroom. A very beautiful Aravatam design, 240 jacquard weaving sarees in a borderless concept. Here we have a beautiful combination, very different and rare pastel combo. Saree is in almost a gold shade, a brown and half white mixed color, very light color, excellent shade. And you can see the buttas. Buttas are Aravatam and 240 jacquard weaving, very big mango pattern, 3 mangoes, borderless concept, completely handcrafted saree with a beautiful rust color, rust and mango yellow mixed color pallu. Pallu is also having a very beautiful work, completely in silver jari, and we have same color blouse piece. Excellent combo with authentic silk.